Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about functions from string.h, part of programming in C course. The string.h library in C provides a set of functions for working with strings. These functions are used to manipulate and compare strings and include some of the following. str copy copies the content of the string pointed to by source to the memory pointed to the destination. strcat concatenates or appends the contents of the string pointed to by the source to the end of the string pointed by the destination. String length returns the length of the string, not including the null character. String comp compares the contents of the two strings s1 and s2 and returns 0 if the strings are equal, a negative value if s1 is less than s2, and a positive value if s1 is greater than s2. str returns a pointer to the first occurrence of the string needle in the string haystack. Memcopy copies n bytes from the memory pointed to by source to the memory pointed to by destination. Memset writes the value of C converted to an unsigned character into the first n characters of the memory pointed to by S. Here is an example of how you can use these functions. This program will print hello world and the strings are not equal. Note that these functions do not check for buffer overflow. So it is important to ensure that the destination buffer is large enough to hold the result of the operation. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.